Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Mazelleغ, and this is a get ready with me video. Very excited to be doing my first get ready with me video. Tonight my husband and I are going to a Greek step show, and my friend got us some tickets to a Delta sorority. They're hosting the step show. It's about an hour and a half away from where we stay, but I'm excited to be getting out of this house for a moment and to also be having a date night with my husband, because that is something that we rarely do, because there's just not a lot for us to do out here where we live overseas, especially for people our age. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all what I'm going to be wearing. I'm also going to be sharing with you all just typically how I get ready when I am going on a night out, which would include my outfit, my makeup, and all of that. So if you want to see how I get ready on a night out, stay tuned. So I'm going to go in with this with a brown color. This is that chestnut eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with this particular color. It is Outlaw is what this brown is called. So I'm just going to take that brown color and I'm going to place it in the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm going to go almost to the inner corner, but I'm not going to go all the way. I'm going to leave that untouched because I'm actually going to be putting a color there. And so now I'm going in with my primer again, and I'm going with a flat brush. So now I'm going in with the Black Radiance, and I'm going to be using this purple color here, and this is Bam is what this color is called. And then this color right here, this is called Delicious. So I think the camera was a little blurry, so I had to restart it a little bit. This camera is still a little wonky sometimes. And now I'm going to go in with that purple, and I'm going to place the purple on top. I don't know how I'm liking that because it's actually blending in with that burgundy a little bit. So I might have to do something else with that. I'm not for sure. So I'm just going to plop some of that glitter up on top of that. I don't know how this is looking, you all. I really don't. But you know what? I don't have time to do it over again. I don't really have time. Like, I'm running out of time right now. All right, I've put my eyeliner on, and now I'm just going to go in with this mascara. I just don't even know what this is doing. Yeah, I'm just not feeling it at all, and I don't have time to change it. All right, so that is it. I'm just moving forward in life. I'm going to go ahead and add my primer, and I'm going in with my Mary Kay today. And of course, you know that I have to mix that with my Bobbi Brown, otherwise the color doesn't come out right. And I'm going to just go ahead and spread that all over my face. And now I'm just going to go in with the highlighter just to clean up that area a little bit. And I'm also going in with the concealer because y'all already know I have those. I'm not wearing my glasses. And now for my face powder. That is it. And I'm not again putting on any blush or anything like that because I'm going to have on a mask. So, but I am going to spray my face a little bit. and now I'm just going to attempt to try to do something with my hair because I don't really know what I'm trying to do with it. I twisted it up last night because it's been in a bun pretty much all for like 2 weeks. I had twists in my hair, if y'all can remember, and so I of course washed my hair, and it's been in a bun for 2 weeks time. So I haven't done anything to my hair because I was trying to give it some time to recuperate from the twist, and so I haven't done anything to it. So last night I twisted it up because I wanted to wear my hair out, and with my hair, like, I can't just do fly of the mill type of stuff because it doesn't want to do right. It does whatever it feels like doing. Okay, so this is what I end up doing with my hair, and I put a stocking on it to kind of tighten it up a bit, put some gel here, can kind of slick that down a little bit, and then put this headband on, and yeah, I can go like this. And I just put on some earrings, and I'm wearing the Cool Water. This is Sea Rose, and this is the Marc Jacobs Daisy, and I actually mix these two together. They make the perfect scent. So if you don't know anything about like layering perfumes for like your own look or your own scent or whatever, you really need to try it. Usually when you layer scents, you have to layer scents that's kind of similar in scent. One is not overpowering the other. And these two scents, I love the way they smell together. It just gives me that fruity, sophisticated type of smell. And I wear this combination all the time. So that is what I'm wearing tonight. All right, so here is the finished look, you all. And I was trying to find something casual but cute. And it's cold outside, so I wanted to wear something that was also warm. So this is the white sweatshirt that I purchased from Chloe Ray, and this is a belt that I got from J. Brooks Boutique. Then I have on these skinny jeans from Swanka Posh, and then my shoes. I'm going to try to show my shoes. These are Michael Kors shoes, Michael Kors tennis shoes. I got these for Christmas, and I shared these, I think, in my Christmas vlog. As far as the purse that I'm wearing, I think I'm just going to wear the purse that I wear all the time, which is my Kate Spade purse that I'm going to wear with this. And yeah, you all, this is it. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and show you all what that finished makeup look is. Now that I think that I end up liking the way it came out. All right, so this is the finished eyeshadow look. I think it turned out pretty good, actually. It doesn't look like I wanted it to look, but it doesn't look too bad. So that is it, you all. That is the Get Ready With Me. It is definitely how I would normally be on a time when I'm getting ready for anything. So yeah, I am Michele Mazelleغ. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. And please enjoy some footage, some shots that I took from the step show and from our night out. Bye.